Simplicity AI just dropped, and today I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this brand new AI software. Stick with me till the end, because you're going to want to know if Simplicity AI lives up to the hype and how it could streamline your digital marketing strategy. Plus, you can try it for free from the first link in the description below. Let's get into it. Simplicity AI is not just another tool. It's a game changer for anyone in digital marketing, business automation, or content creation. The best part? It's designed to make complex AI tools simple to use, hence the name. But is it really as straightforward as it sounds? Let's break it down. The first thing that stands out is its user interface. Unlike most AI tools that come with a steep learning curve, Simplicity AI focuses on simplicity. It's clean, intuitive, and even beginners can jump in without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're managing campaigns, automating processes, or creating content, you're going to be able to get things done quickly without needing a tech degree. Second, Simplicity AI offers a variety of templates for digital marketers. From email marketing templates to social media content generation, you're saving hours of work. These templates aren't just basic, they're highly customizable to suit your brand voice. So, whether you need to generate blog post ideas or automate your customer service, Simplicity has you covered with just a few clicks. Another powerful feature is its automation capabilities. With Simplicity AI, you can automate tasks like follow-ups, reporting, and even scheduling. This can take a massive load off your shoulders, especially when it comes to routine tasks that are important but can eat up a lot of time. Imagine being able to run your marketing campaigns 24/7 without needing to manually check on everything. That's the kind of automation you're looking at with Simplicity AI. Speaking of automation, the real-time analytics and reporting are something worth mentioning. Simplicity AI doesn't just automate tasks, it also gives you detailed insights into what's working and what's not. That means you can fine-tune your strategies on the fly, adjust your messaging, and optimize your ROI without being buried in spreadsheets. The fourth crucial thing you should know is that Simplicity AI is designed to integrate seamlessly with popular platforms. Whether you use WordPress, Shopify, or even CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce, you won't need to manually export or import data. The tool connects effortlessly, helping you save time and maintain consistent workflows. But here's where it gets interesting. Simplicity AI uses machine learning to improve over time. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. So if you're running ads, for example, Simplicity will start to learn from your past campaigns and suggest improvements. It's like having an in-house AI expert helping you optimize your marketing every day. Another major selling point is how cost-effective it is. A lot of AI tools out there come with a hefty price tag, especially those that claim to offer similar capabilities. With Simplicity AI, you get robust features without draining your budget. For anyone looking for an AI solution that doesn't break the bank, this is a solid option. Now, I can't finish this review without talking about the support. Simplicity AI offers top-notch customer support with live chat, email assistance, and a knowledge base full of tutorials to help you get the most out of the tool. If you run into any issues, they're just a message away. If you're looking to try out Simplicity AI for yourself, remember, you can test it for free right now with the link in the description. And before I wrap up, I've personally tried thousands of AI tools, and I've got my top picks listed in the description below, so you can check them out for free too. So is Simplicity AI the future of digital marketing tools? It's definitely a tool you should keep on your radar, especially if you value ease of use and automation. Try it out and see how it works for you. Remember, the link's in the description.